Lamprey chromosome, and today we are studying the polytene chromosome. And you know that these two chromosomes are the giant chromosome because they are much larger in size than the normal chromosome. And it is also clear to you that the Lamprey chromosome is not a permanent structure. The Lamprey structures are reabsorbed, and the Lamprey chromosome changes again into the normal chromosome. But the polytene chromosome, which is also known as the salivary gland chromosome, it is a permanent structure. Once the polytene structure is formed, it never changes into the normal chromosome. What does it mean? It means that the polytene chromosome structure is a permanent structure. Once the polytene structure is formed, it never reverts back to the normal chromosome. On the other hand, in case of Lamprey chromosome, which is not a permanent structure, which again changes into the normal chromosome. And as you know that this polytene chromosome, as I have already mentioned here, that this polytene chromosome being one of the two giant chromosomes was first discovered by the C. Balbiani in the salivary gland cells of the Drosophila. Therefore, this chromosome, that is the polytene chromosome, is also known as the salivary gland chromosome because it is found in the salivary gland of the Drosophila. Drosophila, that is a fruit fly. This polytene chromosome is very special, and this polytene, the term polytene chromosome, represents the multi-stranded nature of this polytene chromosome. You know that this polytene chromosome is formed by the process of endo-reduplication. That there is terminology endo-reduplication or polytenization. Polytenization means that is the formation of a number of thread-like chromonymal fibril. Therefore, the term polytenization is being used. Polytenization means a large number of thread-like structure, that is the chromonymal thread. What happens in this case and how this polytene chromosome is formed? This polytene chromosome is formed due to the repeated division of the chromosome without the separation of the chromatids, or the chromosome undergo duplication, but all the duplicated chromatids are not separated from one another. Rather they form a bundle of the chromonymal fiber or chromonymal thread or the chromatids. And in this way there is a formation of a multi-stranded structure, and that multi-stranded structure is known as the polytene chromosome because such chromosomes are made up of a large number of thread-like structures, and these thread-like structures are the chromonema fibrils. And as far the structure of this polytene chromosome is concerned, the polytene chromosome consists of a number of thread-like structure, and there is presence of bands and interbands. There is presence of band region and interband region. Band region and interband region. Bands are, what is difference between the band and interband? Bands present on the polytene chromosomes are the such area where the chromonema are, or DNA is highly coiled region, and it stains, and the as for when on staining, this band region stains intensely. It is rich in the DNA content, and it has the active genes, whereas the distance between the part of the chromosome present between the two band region present on the polytene chromosome are known as the interband region. Interband region are fuel gene negative. That is, what does it mean? It means that there is a very light staining or no staining of the interband region, and the interband region do not have the active, mostly they do not have the active genes. So on the as far the bands and interbands are concerned, these are the two important regions present on the polytene chromosome: band region and interband region. And the chromomere in the region of the chromomere present in the band region opens up. Means it extends up to form a number of loop-like structure, and these loop-like structure in this case are known as the chromosomal puff. They are not called loop, rather they are called puff. 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 Puffs are the loops formed due to the extension of the chromomeres present in the band region. And you know that in case of Lamprey chromosome, the term loops are used, literal loops. But in case of polytene chromosome, the term puffs are used. And large-sized puffs are known as the Balbiani ring. after the name of its discoverer. You know that it was C. Balbini who for the first time discovered salivary gland chromosome. Therefore, the larger puffs are known as the Balbini ring, and puffs are very important. Puffs have the active genes, and these genes are transcribed to form mRNA, which in turn are translated to produce large amount of the proteins. So this is the polytene chromosome, and you have this polytene chromosome is formed as a result of endoreduplication and endomitosis or polytenization. So the Lamb-Brush chromosome is very important. As far the function of this Lamb-Brush chromosome is concerned, as far the function of this polytene chromosome is concerned, it is also like that of the Lamb-Brush chromosome. Lamb-Brush chromosome, because both these structure are formed to provide larger surface area so that larger amount of mRNA can be produced. तो ठीक है, अब हम इसका let me show the whiteboard on which the structure of this polytene chromosome has been sketched. Look at the whiteboard. This is the structure. I have drawn the very simple structure of the sketch of the polytene chromosome. This is the diagram of the polytene chromosome. Look here. These thread-like structure have been shown. These are the now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 8 strands. It may be a large number of. I have shown only 8 strands, but there are a larger number of the strands. And these two regions, I have shown here the coiled regions and coiled region, and in between the two coiled regions, uncoiled region have been shown. So this coiled region, which extends deeply, are known as the band region. This is the band region, and in between the two band region, the region present is known as the interband region. The region present between the two band region is known as the interband region. This is the band, this is the interband, and the chromomere. Hey, look here, this is the chromomere. The chromomere opens up. The chromomere extends up to form a ring-like structure or loop-like structure, and these loop-like structures are known as the puff. These are the puffs. Here I have also shown the puff. These are the puffs, and the larger puff are known as the Balbini ring. And this is one of the this is the look here. This is the band. This is the interband. Two chromosomes of the Drosophila have been shown here. So look here. These are the bands, interbands, interband, bands. There are so many bands present on the polytene chromosome, and the region present between the two bands are known as the interband. And this is some important. These are the some important points about the polytene chromosome. Look here. This polytene chromosome is also known as the salivary gland chromosome. This chromosome was discovered by the C. Balbini in the salivary gland of the Drosophila melanogaster fruit fly. It is a giant chromosome. It is an example of the giant chromosome. This chromosome is visible during the interphase stage. This chromosome is formed as a result of the polytenization, that is the polytenization. What is polytenization? Division of chromosome without the separation of chromatid. This is called polytenization, or it is also called endoreduplication. Okay. Now this chromosome consists of a number of. This chromosome has a number of bands and interbands, and this chromosome consists of a bundle of chromonema threads, fibrils. Because of the multi-stranded nature of the term polytene chromosome is used. A structure of this polytene chromosome. As far the structure is concerned, the polytene chromosome has band region and interband region. Bands extends deeply with the basic dyes. The bands are high in DNA content. Chromonema remain tightly packed in the band region. As far the interband region are concerned, the band region opens up to form swellings called the puff. Large puffs are known as the Balbini ring. The regions present between the two bands are known as the interband, and they stain lightly. They are loosely arranged, low DNA content. So this is a very summary of the polytene chromosome. This is a diagram of the polytene chromosome. So polytene chromosome is a very important special chromosome, And in your syllabus, two special chromosomes are to be studied. One of them we have already studied in the previous lecture. That was the Lamb-Brush chromosome. Today we have also learned a special chromosome, which is the polytene chromosome. In the next lecture, we will be studying a B chromosome, and we will be giving the final touch to the special chromosome. Am I clear to all of you? Am I clear to all of you? Tanzila?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.